after a fantastic time on Fraser Island, we head straight down to Brisbane for Christmas. Don't worry, we will be coming back to the Sunshine Coast. So we spend Christmas and New Year in Brisbane and check out a few things there, and we also get a chance to go over to Morton Island. Hi there and welcome to a new episode.
Hey guys, thanks for watching once again. And here we are in Brisbane, or as I like to call it, Bris Vegas.
Jesus. Yeah, it's crazy being back in a big city.
Yeah.
It feels very strange.
It does, it's been a while, and we have a little confession to make. We've actually been in Brisbane already for about a week. So It's been Christmas here, so we've just had a really chilled out few days. Lots of eating, lots of drinking, and just relaxing, not doing any video recording for a change, which has been a nice little break, to be honest.
Yeah, absolutely. So we left the caravan at Caravan Park and stayed with some friends for the week, Archie included.
That's right. So when we were looking at staying in Brisbane around Christmas, we actually booked this in July. So it was when we were in Perth, which is just insane. And we were looking for caravan storage because we were staying with a few friends. We couldn't find any, or the only stuff we did find was so expensive. So we actually found a caravan park and it was a hell of a lot cheaper than putting the caravan into storage.
Yeah, right next to the highway, so you don't get much sleep if you're there. But,
no, exactly.
But did the job nicely for us.
Yeah, exactly. So we left it there for 5, 6 nights.
Yep.
And stayed with some friends over Christmas, which was really lovely.
Yeah, it was really good. So, as a result of that, today is actually our first day coming into Brisbane proper.
That's right, yeah, our first day in the city. And we've actually moved now. We've moved the caravan park to a place in Scarborough, which is a nice little caravan park there right by the sea.
Yeah, so it's up near Redcliffe at Deception Bay.
Yeah, the only thing is it's about 40 minutes from the centre of town, which is a little frustrating. A little bit further than we thought, but that's okay. There's not really much options around Brizzy, so especially that accept dogs. So yeah, our first day in Brisbane, and we're here at Southbank. We're going to check out the city, have a look around here, see what there is to offer. We've got a few things planned for the week, but it is going to be a little bit cruisy a week this week because we've used most of our time eating and drinking at our mate's house. And
I think as well it might take us just a while to ramp up the energy levels again.
Yeah, to get back in the swing of things again. So yeah, I know, it's that's what it does to you after having a week off, just eating and drinking. We did a lot of eating and drinking.
Plus tomorrow is New Year's Eve. So.
Yeah, exactly. Tomorrow, New Year's Eve, and we're back at our mate's house eating and drinking again.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for joining us, guys, and I hope you enjoy the episode.
Enjoy.
So we've just been walking around Southbank here in Brizzy, and we've just found this little thing called the Imaginaria, and it's a little temporary display of all these kind of really odd sensory and light and sound kind of rooms and things. So it should be pretty cool. We're just going to tie Archie up under a tree here and inside, and then yeah, we're going to pop in and have a look around. So today we've come out and braved the wet Brisbane weather. It's been raining all week, but we've got finally a bit of a break in the weather, and we're out here at Lone Pine Sanctuary.
Yeah, it's amazing. There's so many animals here.
Yeah.
Masks are back in, so we're on and off with the masks every time we go indoors.
Yeah, a little frustrating, but mask on, mask off, as we say. But yeah, there's loads of animals here. There's so many koalas. There's dingoes, which I want to check out. You can feed the kangaroos, loads of birds like the ones behind us. So there's, quite a bit to see here. So really looking forward to just checking out. And
some random lizards.
Yeah, as we're just here, there's just random lizards walking around. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, Kristen's a big fan of the birds. I like the mammals. So
I love all of them.
Something for everyone.
Yeah, I love the dingoes. I really love the dingoes. Reminds me of Archie.
Okay, enjoy.
Enjoy.
The sheep in nice and calmly, and then once Steph closes the gate, I'll get you guys to give her a round of applause. The sheep know that if they go into the pen, they get to rest. Beautiful. Now, the dogs do a lot of running out here in the paddock. She made it look really easy, but she's run about 2 to 3 kilometres doing our show out here, so it was a lot more work than it looked like. She gets herself nice and hot, and dogs don't actually sweat like we do, so in order to cool themselves down, we need to encourage them to jump into a trough of water, have a big swim, have a big drink, and then she's ready to get back out there and start rounding up the sheep again.
Just making our way around at the Lone Pine Sanctuary. We're in the kangaroo area at the moment. So at the front desk you can buy little packets of food. So we bought a few packets of food. Kids have got food, haven't you kids? And we'll go find some kangaroos and give them some food. There's an emu there as well. So let's go see what we can feed. So today we've come out to Morton Island, so it's in Moreton Bay, just an hour-and-a-half boat ride from Port of Brisbane. So it's a really overcast day today, not the best conditions. Kind of just got here after this tropical cyclone Seth has just kind of passed through, so this is probably the tip of it at the moment. So they are forecasting pretty average weather. Hopefully it brightens up a little bit, but yeah, I don't like my chances, to be honest. It's pretty miserable, but it's still warm. The water's really cool, so we're here for the day and we're going to do some snorkeling. So we came here quite a few years ago, and I remember the snorkeling just being amazing. It was really spectacular. So we came here with a tour and they kind of took us around the wrecks. There's so much fish life in there, it's incredible, but I'm hoping it kind of lives up to it today. I'm not really expecting it to be amazing given the conditions are pretty average at the moment, but we'll definitely go in soon and give it a shot. So we've just passed high tide as well at the moment, so probably another couple of hours before I can really get in the water and take advantage of the low tide. But people are getting in now. It's probably a little high for me, to be honest, but because you kind of got to swim across this channel. You might be able to see it behind me, and it's quite deep and quite a strong current, so you just got to be careful when you're crossing this current here. So there's plenty of people around, so it shouldn't be too bad. But anyway, I might just have a sit down, have a little bit of lunch, get a spot on the beach, and yeah, just hang around for another hour or so, and then see what the conditions are like and see if we can go for a swim. Well, I went in for a dip, but the visibility is absolutely shocking. I couldn't see probably 1 to 2 meters in front of my face, so really strong currents as well, so it was really difficult swimming. So we got in quite far up the beach, and before we knew it, we were at the end of the wrecks on the other side. So we just zoomed by, and yeah, loads of fish around, but the visibility was just so poor. So unfortunately not the day for snorkeling at all, but I suppose that's what you get when there's a cyclone in the area. So a bit of a shame, because I know how good this snorkeling spot is on a good day, but never mind. We'll just enjoy the last couple of hours and then get on the boat back to Brisbane. Alright, the sun has kind of come out finally. This is about as sunny as we've had it all day, and it's about low tide as well. So I've just gone in again. I wasn't going to go in again because the current was so strong earlier, but I decided we're here, let's give it a shot. So I've just gone in and it is so much better. The visibility is still pretty average. Well, it's really poor actually, but there's literally no current out there now, so it's a lot easier to swim in and around the wrecks, which is really good. And there are so many fish. There's just thousands and thousands and thousands of fish, so it's actually really good. So So you probably saw the snorkeling earlier, it was pretty average. This is what I just saw now, it's quite a lot better. Right, I think that's a wrap for Morton Island. What do you think?
Yeah, the weather's been a bit mixed, but we managed to get out there.
Yeah, the sun came out, so it's been really nice late afternoon. And we're just waiting on the boat to get here. Here it is, it's just arriving now.
I don't know about you, Chris, but I think I might be having a nap on the boat.
Yeah, I'll be definitely napping, and then I am absolutely famished as well. So.
Yeah.
All right, let's get on board, hey?
Okay, that's it. Thanks for joining us for another episode. It's been a bit of an unusual one, this one, as being at two different caravan parks. First we're at Galaxy Caravan Park down in Tanamera, and then we've been up here at Scarborough Holiday Village. Now, we didn't really spend too much time at Galaxy, so can't comment too much on that, but Scarborough Holiday Village has been lovely. I mean, we literally 2 minutes of walk from the beachfront, and it's just great. We've been taking Archie for lovely walks along the beach every morning, just really relaxing and felt like a holiday. And yeah, while we've been in Brisbane, although we have been doing the Christmas and New Year with friends, we've also managed to get to see a few things that we haven't seen before. Lone Pine was a particular highlight for me, and yeah, Archie's had a great time. He went off to, while we were across on Morton Island, he obviously went across and was playing with the border collie all day, who belonged to some friends. So overall, our Christmas and New Year's been really good. Thanks again for supporting us. We really appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and we really appreciate likes to the video and also comments. So take care for this week, and see you next week.